Over the 200 years of its existence, the Warsaw University of Life Sciences has been transformed from a small agricultural school into a modern life sciences university, which plays an important role in the shaping and development of the Polish agro-food sector. The Warsaw University of Life Sciences is an important educational, scientific and research center. Research is conducted at 13 faculties in the area of life sciences, biological, technical and socio-economic sciences. The results of the studies are implemented in the economy. Several hundred companies from Poland and other countries are beneficiaries of the research. Thanks to this cooperation, research conducted at the university finds practical applications in the economy. Much of the scientific and research work is carried out in cooperation with renowned scientific and experimental centers from Europe and the rest of the world. This is enabled by the highly qualified staff of the Warsaw University of Life Sciences and its advanced research centers featuring state-of-the-art equipment. Innovative research centers are available to students and the staff, such as the Water Center Laboratory, and a modern complex of laboratories featuring innovative equipment for research from the borderline of veterinary medicine and medicine, including the Veterinary Research Center and the Biomedical Research Center. In 2018, agreements were signed for the implementation of 3 further research complexes: the Regenerative Medicine Center, the Research and Development Center for Food and Nutrition, and the Innovative Center of Nutritional Sciences. In the near future, the university will spend nearly 50 million euros from various sources on investments in its research facilities. One of the university's strengths are its extensive experimental facilities. Staff and students have the opportunity to check the results of laboratory tests in practice in 5 agricultural, horticultural and forestry experimental stations owned by the Warsaw University of Life Sciences, where students conduct research tests and undergo practical training. Research workers at the Warsaw University of Life Sciences carry out pioneering studies on a global scale, including studies on cancer, graphene and nanoparticle properties, and related to the creation of new plant varieties and precision agriculture. To meet public demand, projects are being developed at our university to improve consumer health, including technologies for the production of healthy bakery products. In the field of teaching and joint research projects, the university cooperates with nearly 300 foreign partners on all continents. This allows employees and students to complete studies and internships at partner universities. The number of foreign students at the Warsaw University of Life Sciences is growing steadily. At the moment, more than 1,000 young people from outside Poland are enrolled at our university. The university is a member of the EuroLeague for Life Sciences Association, which includes 7 European universities of life sciences, as well as universities from China, Israel and New Zealand. Proof of recognition for the quality of studies is the International Student Satisfaction Certificate, which the university has been awarded by foreign graduates. The university campus is a carefully designed space where all research and teaching centers are located in one place, along with social facilities such as dormitories, sports facilities, a kindergarten, health center and the main library, which is one of the largest agricultural libraries in Poland. The university campus and all its buildings have been adapted to the needs of the disabled. At the Warsaw University of Life Sciences, there are 20,000 students who study nearly 40 specializations, with almost 1,300 lecturers assisting them in acquiring knowledge. At the university, there are several dozen student organizations, science clubs and music ensembles in which young people can develop their interests and talents. The Warsaw University of Life Sciences has topped rankings of Polish and foreign universities for many years. In the QS World University Ranking, it ranks among the top 30 world universities in the field of agriculture and forestry. More than 2 centuries of tradition, developed research and development and teaching facilities, and magnificent achievements of our eminent scientists This is our capital for the future.